The moments passed as at a play. I had the wisdom love can bring. I had my share of mother wit, and yet for all that I could say, and I thought I had her praise for it. And she seems happy as a king. Love's moon withering away. Believe in every word I say. I praise her body and her mind, till pride made her eyes grow bright, and pleasure made her cheeks grow red, and vanity her footfall like. Yet if for all that praise could find nothing but darkness over her, eyes as silent as a stone, and knew though she's not say the word, that even the best of love must die. And had been savagely endowed. Were not that love even the cry of a most ridiculous little bird, throw up the air his marvelous